Hey everyone, if you have just started using Outlier AI or are thinking about it, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through how to use Outlier AI correctly from settings to it up to getting the most out of its powerful insights. So let's get started. Alright, first, what is Outlier AI? It is a powerful analytics tool that uses machine learning to automatically identify unexpected changes, patterns, and trends in your business data. It's perfect for marketers, data analysts, and decision makers looking to act on real time insights. First thing first, let's set up Outlier AI. Uh, Sign up for an account on the Outlier website. Uh, Click login. Then you can continue with your Google. After logging in with your credentials, now connect your data sources like Google Analytics, Salesforce, Shopify, or any other platform you are using. Make sure you give Outlier the correct permissions to access your data. This is essential for accurate analysis. Now you will want to configure your data streams, define which data sets you want Outlier to monitor, set your anomaly detection threshold based on your business goals, customize your alert settings. This way you will get notified about the changes that matter to you. Now the real power of Outlier AI comes into play, identifying anomalies. Review the daily insights it provides. Use the built-in filter, the sort by date, severity, or impact. Now, investigate each outlier to understand why the change happened and how it might affect your business. Once you have identified an important outlier, it's time to act. Share the insight with your team or clients. Is this finding to adjust your marketing strategies, inventory planning, or customer engagement. Make it a habit to check this insight regularly for ongoing improvements. Finally, remember that Outlier isn't just a one-time setup, it's a continuous tool. Keep refining your data inputs and thresholds to get the most accurate and actionable insights over time. And that's it. You are now ready to work with Outlier AI like a pro. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.